A total of 4,748 people have been cured of coronavirus in India so far, taking the recovery rate to 20.57%, said the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on Friday. A total of 1,684 new cases of coronavirus have been identified, which take the total number of confirmed cases to 23,077 in the country. The recovery rate from the coronavirus on Thursday had been put at 19.89% by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Curbs to contain the spread of coronavirus were intensified in Kashmir on Friday after reports of lockdown violations at several places. Officials said that there have been reports of people violating restrictions in some areas of Kashmir. As part of the curbs, security forces have sealed off main roads in most places in the valley and erected barriers at several other places to check the unwanted movement of the people and to enforce the lockdown. 50 terrorists, including several top commanders of Jaish-e-Mohammed and Lashkar-e-Toiba, were killed in counter-terrorism operations by security forces in Jammu and Kashmir this year so far. 17 security forces personnel lost their lives while fighting the terrorists in the Union Territory. The terrorists also killed 9 civilians in the last 4 months. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh on Friday reviewed COVID-19 preparedness with Jammu and Kashmir medical fraternity through video conference, in which, among others, Financial Commissioner Health Atal Dullo, senior officers of Union Territory government and heads of government medical colleges and institutions including SKIMS participated. At the outset, Dr. Jitendra Singh, on his behalf and on behalf of the Government of India, convened appreciation of the yeoman service rendered by the medical and health professionals as frontline warriors against corona. The Pakistan Army on Friday shelled forward posts and villages along the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri district, drawing retaliation from the Indian Army. This is the 17th consecutive day of shelling and firing by Pakistani forces along the LOC in Jammu and Kashmir. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday said that the biggest lesson that the coronavirus crisis has taught the country is to become self-reliant. The Prime Minister said while interacting with Sarpanchs from across the nation via video conferencing on the occasion of Panchayati Raj Divas. He also launched a unified e-Gram Swaraj portal and mobile app and Swamitwa scheme.
पाया है अब हमें आत्मनिर्भर बनना ही पड़ेगा। बिना आत्मनिर्भर बने ऐसे संकटों को झेल पाना भी।
Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor G.C. Murmu has asked security forces to keep a close watch on all inimical elements in the Union Territory, even as he appreciated the role of police and other security agencies for conducting successful anti-terrorist operations amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Murmu also lauded the role of Jammu and Kashmir police and security forces in combating the spread of COVID-19. Advisor to Lieutenant Governor Farooq Khan on Friday conducted an extensive tour of Ramban district and chaired a meeting to review the working of health department and other essential services in the backdrop of COVID-19 pandemic situation. During the meeting, Advisor Khan also inquired about the status of ration distribution system during lockdown across the district. Advisor Khan directed the officers to put in their best efforts to prevent the spread of virus and asked them to intensify efforts to find anyone who might have come in contact with the suspected cases. As the country battles the coronavirus pandemic, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday appealed to the people to strictly follow social distancing norms and hailed villages of the country for giving the Do Gaj Ki Duri mantra. The Prime Minister said while interacting with Sarpanchs from across the nation via video conferencing on the occasion of Panchayati Raj Divas.
सभी ने दुनिया को बहुत सरल शब्दों में मंत्र दिया और मैं मानता हूं हमारे देश के हर कोने में आपका दिया हुआ ये मंत्र बहुत काम आएगा। आपने बड़े सिंपल शब्दों में ने कह दिया, न सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का शब्द प्रयोग किया, न लॉकडाउन का शब्द का प्रयोग किया, बड़े-बड़े शब्दों का प्रयोग नहीं किया।
Alleging that Supreme Court's statement on no restrictions of media seems selectively applicable to those that stir communal frenzy, Iltija Mufti, daughter of former Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti, said otherwise independent media outlets and J&K-based journalists would not be hounded day in and day out. Iltija's comments come in the backdrop of police filing FIRs against 3 media persons, including a women photojournalist. The Jammu and Kashmir High Court on Friday rejected the bail application of Hilal Rathar, the son of former State Minister Abdul Rahim Rathar, in a bank fraud case. Rathar had moved the plea before Justice Puneet Gupta, seeking interim bail on grounds that the Supreme Court has asked for decongestion of jails across the country in view of the COVID-19 outbreak. He also claimed that he has been suffering several ailments. In wake of coronavirus outbreak, artists from Jammu collaborated with J&K police and administration to spread awareness. The artists disguised as Yamraj and Chitragupt from Hindu mythology to give message to locals to follow rules during lockdown period. The Yamraj and Chitragupt were seen interacting with people who were wandering on the roads and asked them to take necessary preventive measures. Donning face masks and gloves, 42 trainee officers were on Friday commissioned into the world's largest paramilitary, the Central Reserve Police Force, after a webinar passing out parade held amid the COVID-19 outbreak. The passing out ceremony was a webinar conference, as gathering of people and holding mega events is a strict no as per coronavirus containment protocols. The initial results of plasma therapy conducted on 4 COVID-19 patients in the city has given satisfactory results, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said on Friday, adding that more such trials will be conducted in the next few days. Delhi began plasma therapy trials for coronavirus disease patients on Tuesday, a treatment that uses antibody-rich plasma taken from those who have recovered from the infection to treat critical patients.
ऊपर ये ट्रायल करके देखा जा सकता है। हमने पिछले कुछ दिनों के अंदर 4 मरीजों पे ट्रायल करके LNJP के 4 मरीजों पे ट्रायल करके देखा, उसके अभी तक के नतीजे उत्साहवर्धक हैं।
Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Friday held a video conference with operational commanders of the armed forces along with Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat. They also discussed the COVID-19 situation during the conference. The third batch of 225 Iran-returned pilgrims arrived in the Union Territory of Ladakh on Friday in a special Indian Air Force flight after completing their quarantine period outside Ladakh. With this, 487 Iran-returned pilgrims have arrived in Ladakh during the last 4 days. The J&K administration on Friday asked its residents stranded in different countries following lockdown to curtail spread of coronavirus to provide their details on an online form in order to plan their eventual safe return. Meanwhile, asserting that administration is receiving hundreds of calls from J&K residents stranded in different parts of the world, Deputy Commissioner Srinagar Shahid Iqbal Chaudhary said, "Rest assured the government is finding out ways to get these people back as soon as possible." President Donald Trump has suggested the possibility of studying injecting disinfectants into COVID-19 patients or bringing UV light inside their bodies to kill the deadly virus, drawing immediate flack from American health experts who urge people not to listen to such dangerous advice. Launching a new scientific study conducted by his department, Homeland Security for Science and Technology, Under Secretary Bill Bryan on Thursday said the coronavirus dies at a much more rapid pace when exposed to sunlight and humidity.
By injection inside or almost a cleaning, because you see it gets on the lungs and it does a tremendous number of the lungs. So it'd be interesting to check that. So that you're going to have to use medical doctors with. But it sounds interesting to me. The new headline is Trump asks people to go outside. That's dangerous. Here we go. Same old group. You ready? I hope people enjoy the sun.